Hello, today we are looking at 9 best car rental WordPress themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. AutoZone. The AutoZone is an auto dealer and car rental WordPress theme that is ideal for auto parts, automotive, jets rental, and yachts rental websites. With its clean, modern design, the AutoZone is suitable for both rental car and car sales websites. The theme features a highly customized, top-of-the-line design, which is most suitable for automotive retailers, auto dealers, and car sales agencies. Number 8. Rent-A-Car. Rent-A-Car is a car rental listing theme designed specifically for car booking, car hire, car shop, and transportation websites. With Rent-A-Car, your website goals are satisfied in an advanced and creative manner, which makes it the ideal choice for building a car rental website for your business. Number 7. AutoStar. AutoStar is an auto dealer and auto rental WordPress theme that can be used for car listing, booking cars, automotive, dealer, and websites. It is well ventilated, which will keep your visitors from losing their way. You will also find an attractive branding environment with large images and promotional banners. Number 6. City Cruise. City Cruise is a WordPress limousine and car rental theme designed for airport transfer, rent-a-car, airport transfer, and taxi booking websites. Each vehicle can be identified, as well as its characteristics and the hourly rate that will be charged for services. The theme allows you to provide your visitors with the option to book a vehicle online, which they will surely appreciate. Number 4. Car Rental. Car Rental is a car rental WordPress theme designed specifically for automobile, business, travel, and vehicle websites. The car rental theme is a stylish, responsive WordPress theme that makes it easy to rent a car and book one online for vacations or business purposes. Number 3. Rentit. Rentit is a multipurpose WordPress theme for vehicle car rental that can be used for booking, renting bikes, truck rental, and tour websites. The package also includes a variety of rental-related features that will enhance your rental experience, including a tool for managing reservations online, maximum and minimum rental lengths, seasonal pricing, and special discounts for specific types of reservations. Number 2. Motors. Motors is a car dealer and listing WordPress theme usable for automobile, car dealer, car repair, and directory websites. It allows the sale, rental, and purchase of vehicles and boats through a website specifically designed for motorcycle dealers, car dealerships, electric car dealerships, boat dealers, and any type of automobile dealership. Number 1. Grand Car Rental. Grand Car Rental is a WordPress car rental and limousine services theme designed for airport transfer, booking, automotive, car shop, and websites. Using the latest technology in WordPress, the car rental and limousine theme was specifically designed for a website devoted to transportation services such as car rental and limousine rentals. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.